The FR-2402 fold and roll riser is available in a variety of fixed height and adjustable height options depending on the model you choose. The current model you see here is a 24-inch to 32-inch adjustable height that is currently set at 24 inches. To adjust the FR-2402 to the 32-inch height option, start with the riser in the locked and upright position. Pull the leg pins and adjust the inner legs to the desired height, securing with the pin. Next, push the button to release and lower the center leg support. Once complete, unlock the riser and fold back down into place.